want to look at this iBuyPower gaming PC computer desktop Element Mini.
Oh yeah, you're getting no work done on this one, baby. Let's go.
AMD Ryzen 3 3100. There's a lot of terminology here. We're gonna break it down for you.
There's a little video here that's playing here with it. It actually looks like it could be a decent work computer too, though. Like at this price point, you could use this for work during the day, and then you could game with it a little bit at night. Can I break down the specs on this computer, Perrin, and read them to you, and then you break them down for us?
Go for it.
You've got an AMD Ryzen 3 3100 3.6 gigahertz processor, 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, 240 gigabytes solid state drive, a genuine, not fake, Windows 10 Home 64-bit. It's got a dedicated graphics card with 2 gigabytes of RAM. That's not that much. It's an AMD Radeon RX 550. It comes with 4 USB 3.0s. I'm very happy about that. 2 USB 2.0s. Cool. Ethernet jack? Yes. 7.1 audio? Yes. Tempered glass RGB gaming case? Yes. Wi-Fi included? Yes. 16 color RGB lighting case, free iBuyPower keyboard and mouse with no bloatware? Yes, yes, yes. And it comes with a 1-year parts and labor free lifetime US tech support assembled in the United States of America.
It's not gonna be like your dream gaming system here, guys. It's the specs on this thing. I'm pulling it up here on the side while we look at this video at the same time. The Ryzen 3 3100 is a older processor, and the older Ryzen processors weren't quite as competitive with Intel. The graphics card is probably one of the weakest graphics cards on the market to keep the price down on this system. Oh. I mean, it's literally just that. It's like having a graphics card in there just for the sake of having a graphics card.
Jeez.
And the SSD is only 240 gigabytes, which is like enough for your OS and like maybe one game, like one Cyberpunk.
Is that the only storage they give on this thing?
Yeah.
Oh,
so,
I'm out.
Wow. I mean, but for the price point,
not even a game.
The price point though is actually solid for all of this stuff. But like, you should probably think about spending more if you actually want to play games on your PC.
I feel like this machine is set up to make a gamer fail. I am not okay with this machine. It only has 204 gigabytes SSD. Like, you can't even install any game on it. Like, I'm out, dude. I cannot recommend this product, guys. I'm sorry. This is not a good computer.
Look, if you're gonna go gamer, like if you're gonna try to buy a gaming PC, you really gotta have a budget that's gonna be above $1,000. Otherwise, you're not gonna get into modern day gaming. If you're just trying to play like a really old game, then okay, maybe that'll work. But if you're shopping around to try to buy a pre-built gaming PC on Amazon, going below $1,000 on it, you're just wasting your money. You should save until you can get a system that's more. This one would maybe be an okay work computer, but without the storage space on it, I hate to say that too.
It's not even a good work computer. It's not even good
I'm not
for that.
Gonna recommend it for work either, honestly.
No. For this price point, you could get yourself an Xbox Series X or a PlayStation 5, which are going to be significantly more powerful and upgradable and give you a better experience overall for the money. This is not a good computer. Do not buy this computer. The brand may be called iBuyPower. In this case, it's iBuyWeakness.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.